All right, let's now get into business news. In yet another indicator that the local economy was hard hit by the impact of COVID-19, the National Treasury has reported a 54.67 billion shilling decline in tax revenue for the first quarter of the 2020-2021 financial year. KTN's Noah Kipkemboi now reports.
According to a revenue statement posted on the Kenya Gazette, total tax revenue stood at 317.67 billion shillings at the end of September 2020 compared to 372.3 billion shillings in Q1 of 2019-2020. Non-tax revenue, however, increased by 12.7 billion shillings to stand at 24.9 billion shillings, a clear indicator that the government has put pressure on state corporations to remit proceeds into the national kitty to offset a decline in tax revenue. The government raised 200 billion shillings from the domestic market and 10 billion shillings in external loans and grants. Overall, government revenue fell by 35.4 billion shillings to stand at 602 billion shillings compared to 637.4 billion shillings realized in the first quarter of the 2019-2020 financial year. The government spent a total of 144.69 billion shillings in loan repayments and 20.4 billion shillings in pensions and gratuities, with exchequer issues accounting for a total of 166.9 billion shillings. The government spent a further 222.8 billion shillings on recurrent expenditure, with the Ministry of Interior and Citizen Services taking up the bulk of spending at 30 billion shillings, which is 3.4 billion shillings higher than a similar period last year. This is thought to be the additional cost of managing and enforcing COVID-19 regulation measures. In regard to development expenditure, the government spent a total of 79.8 billion shillings, with the bulk of the funds spent by the state departments of infrastructure and transport, which spent 22.8 billion shillings. Akip Kimboy, KTN News.
The insurance sector saw a marked increase in profitability in 2019 due to an increased uptake of life insurance. The sector, however, saw a marginal decline in insurance penetration, a factor that is likely to be further aggravated by the COVID-19 pandemic. KTN's Brand George Otieno now reports.
The report by Aki paints a picture of wins and losses in the industry for the year 2019, with the rate of insurance declining from 2.43% in 2018 to 2.37% last year. Gross written premiums grew to 231.3 billion shillings compared to 216.11 billion shillings in 2018, registering an overall growth of 7.03%. With the sector paying out a total of 117.3 billion shillings in claims and a further 76.36 billion shillings in expenses and commissions. Overall, the sector's profitability grew to 12.69 billion shillings in 2019 compared to 3 billion shillings in 2018. The increase in profitability is widely attributable to an increase in profitability by the life business, which posted a total profitability of 8 billion shillings in 2019 compared to a loss of 419 million shillings in 2018. The sector's total assets grew by 8.77% to stand at 686 billion shillings. Like the rest of the economy, the sector expects to see suppressed earnings as the impact of COVID-19 continues to ripple through the economy. Key concerns include an expected increase in ICT investment, a possible increase in fraudulent claims, with COVID-19 restrictions making it harder to verify claims. Further, increased exposure to cyber threats with staff working from home or off-site, as well as regulatory action, with the Insurance Regulatory Authority set to issue new capital requirement limits and risk-based capital. The regulator has also imposed a 3-month grace period for policyholders, a factor that has slowed down collections. Brian George Otieno, KTN.